One of the mistakes I see beginning photographers make a lot, and it doesn't matter if you're in Yellowstone National Park or in Rocky Mountain National Park, or even like in eastern Botswana at Mashatu Game Reserve like we are today, is that they're not patient with the animal. You know, if you go to one of those places where animals are just used to being around people, the animals are going to be relaxed. And I don't know what it is, but believe me, I can't prove it, but take it from me. But animals have a sixth sense. If you're nervous and kind of anxious, they're going to mirror that same behavior. They get kind of nervous and anxious as well. And so, one of the mistakes that people make a lot is not just being patient with the process. This morning, we rolled up on a leopard and it had an impala in a tree that it was eating on, and the leopard was turned away. And it's easy to get kind of frustrated and say, "Oh, I got to get the shot. I got to get the shot." But if you be patient, and we sat there and watched it and enjoyed the animal without taking pictures, if you'll be patient, eventually the animal's going to move. It's got to move. And so if you're patient and wait it out, the animal will most likely move and get in the position you want to. And it's really that simple. It sounds like uh, common sense behavior, but when you come up on an exciting scene, slow down. Really, the best thing you can do for yourself and the animal is relax, and then just be patient and wait it out. If you take the time to just wait it out, that animal's going to move in a way. It's going to catch the catch light. It's going to move into a great background, or it's going to move itself into a position that you may only get one or two shots, but you're going to get that shot you're looking for.